Let's see what these males do. Oh, look at that. Very affectionate. They always rub up against each other, the males and the coalitions. The reason for that is it just increases their bond between one another. Just sneezing. So Mike has asked us, what is the average age for a lion? Oh, hang on. Oh, let's listen. Here we go, here we go. I think we're in for a roar. Come on. He's teasing us. He's definitely teasing us. Oh, I thought he was going to roar there. Oh, I hear the other one. Thought he gave a little call there too. So Mike, getting back to your question, how long what's the average age or life expectancy of a lion? For a male lion, it's about 10 to 12 years on average. For a lioness, it's about 14 to 15 years. Again, that's an average. It can be shorter, it can be longer. All depends on competition from other lions, if they get injured or not in fights. But generally, it's 10 to 12 years or 14 to 15 for females. Also, hang on, listen, the other male's starting. Oh, come on. Nice big stretch there. Actually heard his back click. There we go. Contact call. Here we go. Come on. They're giving these little teasers. It's almost like they want to call, but they... There we go. Go. The other one's starting to roar a little louder. I think this one will shortly. Come on. Almost like they're just contact calling to one another. Not going to give up just yet. See if they potentially hear other lions roaring, and their hearing is far better than ours. If they hear other lions roaring in the distance, they will definitely return the roar or the call, just to warn other lions that this is their territory. They are around here. So we may not hear it, but they possibly could. It's almost like those were just little contact calls or roars between these two males, just a very low call, just to one another, but it's almost, I think they want to, I'm sure they're going to roar soon, I'm hoping. So Alice in Ohio has asked us how long those front canines are on the lions. Oh, come on. You can see they really are quite long there. I'm guessing about, what is that? 3 or 4 centimeters, I would say. Somewhere around there. 3 or 4 centimeters, I would say. Unless probably, maybe a bit, no, what's that? My measurements aren't very, very accurate. It's probably a bit more, closer to, no, I'd say between 3 and 5 centimeters, I would guess. As soon as I think they're going to roar, they stop. And the rest. But I'm sure this evening, if you keep watching on the dam cam, you might be able to hear them. We're just going to stay with these lines. We don't want to cross back to James and then you potentially miss these lions roar. But again, it's oh, there we go. There we go. Yes. Fantastic, we got a lion roar. That is awesome. That is what we've been waiting for.